I'm using a rice cooker as my tripod. Avocado bagel. You can go to Trader Joe's and get like a 6-pack, 5 or 6-pack of avocados for $2.99. That's a Trader Joe's hack, not sponsored. I told my boyfriend to pick up bagels because I was really craving bagels. And I didn't say what specific bagel I wanted, but he brought plain. Plain. Yeah. Actually, this knife is too extra. Oh. Oh, my mom taught me to always keep the lid. Is that an Asian thing? Maybe that's a Filipino thing. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Look at my necklace. Twins. Or whatever. Yes.
Okay, Dwight.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika the Fashion Nika, and today is my day off, so we are going to go thrifting together. And it's also National Thrift Day. I'm gonna take you to the thrift store. We're gonna vlog the whole time. So let's celebrate by going shopping together. We're here. We're in the Tustin location. I read that this is like one of the largest Goodwills in Orange County, so let's see. This place is way bigger than I expected. I think I'm gonna be spending a couple hours here. It's 50% off the yellow tags. Yeah, I see like yellows. There's a lot of yellows. So this is really promising. So when I go thrifting, I like to go through literally every section just because you can find something anywhere. I even like going into the men's section and the kids section because you can find so many different things if you just like open your mind. The only thing is you really have to dig. So like I've been digging. Oh my god. Oh, I keep getting distracted. I've been digging for the past 2 hours and I found a lot of gems. It just takes a lot of time. I actually really like this little sweatshirt. It says Monterey Bay. It's so random, but Monterey Bay brings back memories. But it's $8. Ew, no. But cute. Because I don't know what brand this is. NHC. But I like the linen material on it. And it's like a high sneaker. And it looks pretty... It looks like it's in really good condition, but it's not my size. Oh my god. I found so much stuff. I'm so excited. This is a pretty good Goodwill. You can find Adidas here. I found this Beavis and Butthead tee. They're both like $2. I'm not gonna get it, but I just wanted to share with you guys. If you check out the men's section, it's totally worth it. This is a Harlow and Graham jacket. I like these because they're shorts. I just don't think they're short enough. I just like the buttons, like the asymmetric buttons on the side. I kind of like it. It's only $3, but that's what it looks like when it's untucked. Found these cute shorts. Got a lot for very little, so I'm so excited to show you guys what I ended up getting. I decided to film the next day because by the time I got home, it was so dark. But I wanted to share with you guys what I got at Goodwill. Oh my god, you guys, that Goodwill is amazing. It is located in Tustin, and holy crap, you guys. So excited to have discovered that Goodwill just because they have very good deals. It's way better than the Goodwill that like I always go to, which is the one in Lake Forest. This place is gonna be my new stomping grounds, but let's dive into what I got. I snagged this Liz Claiborne leather belt. It's actually real leather, so it's very good quality. The reason I purchased it is because I am lacking belts in my wardrobe at the moment, and I felt like this color was like a perfect color to add into my wardrobe because it's just like a... Is there autofocus? Yes. It's like an off-white leather. I felt like I could wear this both like on my waist or at my hips, and it was still like the perfect adjustment. So yeah, that's why I grabbed it, and I thought it would look cute with like a blazer and then wrapped around your waist. I think I have like a nude blazer that would look really cute with this, but yeah, I grabbed it and it was $4, so it's not like the cheapest thing you can find at Goodwill, but it's definitely something that I needed in my closet. All right, moving on. This next item, oh my god. Okay, I'm so over showing polka dots to you guys because you guys are thinking I'm like a polka dot fiend, but I just love this so much. Polka dot shape. They're all like different sizes, so that's why I thought it was cool. And it has like pleats on this like little tie here, so you can wear it like that, like tied as a bow. You can wear it like just hanging, but I would style it tucked in with some trousers and a red lip. I thought it would be super classic, super sophisticated, super dressy. The material's so nice, and you can tell it is definitely a vintage piece by this brand that we do not know. Allison Taylor. It was half off of the Goodwill price tag, so it was only $2.50. Once I'm over polka dots, I'm going to start hating myself because I have like a whole wardrobe of polka dots and like nothing to do with it. But I mean, I guess I can easily donate it, but it's just like, why am I buying so many polka dots? All right, this next one, I thought it's like a nice alternative as opposed to like just a typical white t-shirt. It is this off-white cream long sleeve, and it's such a stretchy material. But my favorite part about it were these asymmetric buttons. These are huge buttons too, so that's why I thought it was really cool. But it's like skewed, so it's going off to the side, and I just thought it was really different, and then I could tuck it in with some denim. I was just so uncertain because I thought, am I actually gonna wear this a lot? Because the thing is, like, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me to style just because it has so much material down here, so like literally I really can only tuck it in unless I like cut it, but I feel like that would look kind of weird. I got this one for $3.50. So if you don't know, Target is super cool. They donate a lot of their inventory to Goodwills, and they have like overflow of inventory and they're just not selling it. They'll just donate it to Goodwill, which I thought is really cool. That's why if you ever go to a Goodwill, more likely than not you'll see like a ton of Target things, and there's like bulk of them, so you can actually find your size. So that's what this one was. And I mean, I typically wouldn't purchase something that I can easily get at Target, but this one was just a really cool piece. As you can see, this is how you know that Target like donates it. Their brand has like the black Sharpie across the tag, but I really liked this because it has some really cool buttons on the back, and it's silky, nice and lightweight. It has pockets, and it's a culotte, meaning it is the perfect length on me. So that was pretty chill because it's always hard to find pants that are the right length for me, and I just thought this fit so nicely, and I thought it would be great for just going on vacation. It's just like an easy thing that you don't really have to think about. So these are like one of my key pieces that I love throwing on just because it's just like the easiest thing to style, and it was only $5, so it was definitely a good deal. And it's not something that I would typically buy at a thrift store, but I'm happy that I found it. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this piece, you guys. I've been looking for something literally exactly like this for freaking ever, and I found it at this Goodwill. It's honestly the most basic thing ever, but I've just been looking for one that's the right fit, and these fit perfectly on me. It is just this white linen high waist pant, and I just love linen recently because it's so lightweight and it's perfect for the summertime. It's been like so hot in California. I think linen is just nice and breathable, and as you can see, it has like the pleating. Ooh, it's really wrinkled. That's awkward, but it's okay because it is machine washable. I just felt like the waistline was the perfect fit on me, and it's brand new. It is by this brand, May Company. They are out of business, so yeah, this is a very old pant that still has never been used. I'm gonna wear it so often with a crop top, with a blouse, dress it up, dress it down. So many easy ways to style this, and I got it for $7. Definitely more than I would like to have paid, but for something that I've been looking for forever, definitely such a steal. We are down to the last item. It is this beautiful cheetah slip dress. What I really loved about it is the fact that it's cheetah. It's so funny because I buy cheetah like every fall, winter, and then by the end of the season I'm over it and I just want to like sell it or donate it, and so that's what I do. Come next fall, next winter, I'm like looking for cheetah pieces because I'm obsessed with cheetah. I just feel like it's this whole ongoing cycle, and I think that's what I'm just gonna keep doing. Maybe in 5 months I'll be over it, but for now I'm obsessed with it again. It's just this cheetah slip dress, and I really loved the one by this brand called ATM, but holy crap, it was like so expensive. I think it was like $200 or something, but I get it, it's like actual silk, but still. But I found this one, which is honestly looks exactly the same. However, there is this like little lace thing, so that makes me want to believe that this is like actually like a lingerie sleepwear type of dress, but I easily am just going to hack off the lace so that it is just a cheetah dress. Maybe I can be part of like the cheetah girls now after wearing this, because cheetah girls, cheetah sisters, right? I thought it would be so cute with a leather jacket, throw on a denim jacket, so many different ways to style this one. I really love the length of it too, because normally shift dresses are so long on me because I'm only 5 feet, but this one just hits perfectly, and it was only $3. Like $200 versus $3. Such a steal. So happy about this item because I've seriously been looking for a cheetah dress forever. Alrighty guys, that wraps up this National Thrift Day thrift haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do like these thrift hauls, be sure to subscribe so I know that you like them, so that I can film some more for you guys. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye guys!